So as we think about the disruption of the world of finance, how do you operate at those enterprise grade standards, but really continue to open the playing field and be incredibly disruptive? And this is the level of seriousness that we take at Aptos. That's not happening in years from now, it's happening today, and we're helping facilitate that.
Aptos got so many institutional clients and independent builders. If you are a DeFi builder, I definitely recommend Aptos mainnet.
I think Aptos has been doing a great job on not just like developer support, but also bringing together founders for better partnerships and relationships. It really helps us to really amplify our impact, so we're very happy with our experience.
This event has been really great to connect in person with all the teams, especially an event like this where everybody is focused on Aptos and DeFi, and has been really helpful to finalize our plan for launch and have the best possible user experience on day one.
앱토스라는 메인넷 위에 갖고 있는 기업 생태계, 그 생태계를 우리가 갖고 있는 월렛을 연결함으로써 그 DF 생태계를 같이 활용할 수 있는 이런 거를 생각하게 됐습니다.
I'm very bullish on the future of DeFi. I personally think that Move is going to be the evolution of the blockchain-based programming languages. Move as a technology, it feels like a better way of creating a financial infrastructural stack.
We always choose best-in-class practices. Move, it's becoming more strong and battle-tested, and I can see the constant upgradability to really be able to capture the next billion users.
I'm building on the Aptos blockchain because there are things that it offers that would prohibit me from building the product I've built anywhere else.
It really takes a village to build a proper ecosystem, especially a DeFi ecosystem. We've heard from so many different folks, from VCs to market makers to exchanges to different ecosystem projects. It's an amazing group of individuals that have come together to build something incredible. And it does take a village. It's the Aptos village, and super excited to do this with all you together.